Got this semi truck here. I've been trying to run it. It's been raining out here. It's raining and shit, you know what I mean? And can't get any grip. No grip. No traction. So just thought I'd make a vid anyway, man. No traction. Yeah, it's been raining, it's wet. As you can see, the car is all wet and shit. I'll have to come back out another time when it's dry, man. Yeah, I can't see, it's just fishtailing. What's the, I don't know, drift. I'm just touching the throttle, you know what I mean? Otherwise, if I go full, it will just see like it's just wants to spin, man. On this, especially on this terrain, because I was trying to ride it over there, but it kept fishtailing. You know what I mean? On this slightly rougher terrain here, it's not as bad. But yeah, I'm gonna have to go out another time. This wants to drift, man. Got all-wheel drive, four-wheel drive. Just trying to ease into the throttle and shit. Yeah, just had to ease into the throttle. Otherwise it just wants to, and I'm not even going full throttle, man, because I can't, because it just fishtail, drift. So yeah, I can't even go full throttle, man. I'm going full throttle now. I'm pressing full throttle. That's what it's doing. It's just spinning. Just spinning, man. So it's no good in the wet, this truck. That's all he's fucking doing, mate. Fishtailing. Let's do some donuts. Yeah, this is more for in the dry. When the roads are dry, man, because in the wet, you can't do much in the wet, man. See, I can't even control the bloody thing. Just watch the fishtail all the time. Usually this car drives straight because I speed ran it before. I'm sure because it's been raining, that's why it's doing all this shit. Let me just check this. I'm just trying to check something. Yeah, the belt drives on properly. That's how slow I can go to keep it in a straight line. Crawling, cruising, that's how slow I can go. And it goes in a straight line. So I'm barely touching the throttle. I want to go all out now. See? That's what it's doing. Fishtailing. Can't control it. I'll have to run this another time when the weather's drier. because right now can't seem to run it. That's all it's doing. Cool. Oh. More rain coming now. More rain. Yeah, I'm trying to control the throttle finger. It's because it's raining. There's no traction. That's just little bit of throttle, man. Just a little touch of the throttle. That's how fast it would go without it fishtailing or endoing. Just a little tap of the throttle. I'm barely touching the throttle, man. And you know what I mean? So barely touching the throttle. I'm touching the throttle now, and that's what it's doing. Touching the throttle now. I'm pegging on the throttle. It's just fishtailing. Caught on some sticks. Yeah, I'm barely touching the throttle, man. Not even a third. Not even a quarter. Just watch the fishtail spin. I'm sure it's to do with traction because it's wet. Because I've run this car before when I had the orange motor and shit in it, and I thought it was cogging. And I don't think this car was cogging, man. But I had problems with this car as per video, innit? You know what I mean? There's no cogging. I'm not sure. Because as I said, the rear end, a rubber O-ring was missing in the rear end by the spur gear shaft. So that's when I put the motor in, that orange motor, that Amazon special, and I thought it was cogging. Because it kept starting and stopping, you know what I mean? So it could have been because I had problems, and I also had two-wheel drive, front wheel drive on this car as well. So I don't know. I don't know if this car was cogging because of I had the orange motor in it, but yeah, I can't seem to keep it straight, man. I can't go full throttle and keep it straight because it's wet. That's as thingy throttle I'd go. It's raining, and even if I go half throttle, it just wants the fishtail tail spin. That's just a little tap of the throttle, man. You know what I mean? Anything more than that is just fishtailing, man. You see it's going straight now, but it's slow. It's to do with the traction. It's wet, it's raining. As I said, I tried to run it down there and I couldn't earlier on before I started the video. So I think I'll leave it here with this vid, man. Because it's cold and wet. I'll have to run this another time when it's not raining. and the floor's dry. See, the minute I press, you know what I mean? The minute I jam the throttle, it's just doing all this shit. It's different donuts and shit. Donuts, that's what it's doing. I'm barely going full throttle, it's just donutting. So, yeah, leave it here with this vid, man. Come out here another time. Reverse is sharp in this, man. Yeah, I can't drive this out here, man, it's wet. I can't drive it. Yeah, see, that's what it's doing. Fishtailing. Leave it there with this vid, man.